Thank you.
Yeah, this is Chief Imo and his daughters. You can see my children are looking beautiful. Can you say hi, Tophan? Hi! I know, wow. These are my wonderful children. These are my wonderful daughters. Wow, this is Ogochuku. This is Efizi and Ijoma, Nana, and Amaka Uku. Wow. And this is the father of the house. I am their father. Then if you are my daughter, then I am your father. Somebody say father. Father. Your tongue will have to come out. In an oral way. Say Father.
Father.
Who am I to you?
Our Father.
Our Father.
Our Father.
Happier! Okay, keep quiet. Happier, so many men are out there. There are so many men who are ready to take my sister for her.
Why have you not given her to them?
If you don't have money to pay, go.
You are uncle-less.
You two, you are all nonsense. You all nonsense. I didn't even see from the Coco. How much is 550,000 naira? Sit down. At your age, I go to somewhere. Go down one. Go up, but I get a good station. And I give 500, give it 10,000. Over 2 more and they will die for him when they say, I don't want. Open an apiaka, and they put an affair and I just took one shot and check out the money about it. I never must sit on the Coco. Nonsense. You must pay. Let's go. Next one.
26.
Okay, they are all seated now. Let's go.